The transcendent collective had existed since the universe was young. They had witnessed the birth and death of galaxies, guided countless civilizations to enlightenment, and solved the fundamental mysteries of existence. Their technology was indistinguishable from magic, their wisdom infinite, their power absolute. Yet their star charts showed a glaring void around one small, blue planet in an unremarkable spiral galaxy. "Why do we not guide the humans?" asked novice ZYX Theta during their millennial gathering. Being only 1,000,000 years old, they still asked naive questions. They show potential. Violent, yes, but many species were before enlightenment. The elder consciousness rippled, the equivalent of uncomfortable shifting. "We do not go to Earth. But why? We've uplifted species from gas giants, silicon-based life forms from frozen worlds, even beings of pure energy. Surely these humans pose no challenge to us." The humans? The elder's thought form carried something unprecedented: fear. "Oh, young one, we don't avoid Earth because of the humans." The assembly fell silent. The transcendent collective feared nothing. They had tamed black holes, reversed entropy locally, created pocket universes for recreation. Then what? ZYX Theta pressed. The elder projected ancient memories, data from their first and only survey of Earth conducted eons ago when humanity was still learning to control fire. "We sent our finest observation unit. Beings who had studied 1,000 worlds, who could decode any form of life. They lasted 12 seconds on Earth's surface before broadcasting a single message: something else lives here. Do not approach. Do not investigate. Forget this world. What could possibly?" They encountered what humans call cats. The word hung in the cosmic void, carrying dread beyond comprehension. At first, our observers thought them simple predators. Small, furry, quadrupedal. Then they noticed anomalies. These creatures exist partially outside normal space-time. They see things in dimensions we've only theorized. They judge. They know. The elder shared the archived footage. A small, orange creature sat perfectly still, staring at the invisible, phase-shifted observers. Its eyes tracked their movements despite every law of physics saying it shouldn't be able to perceive them. When our team tried to scan it, the creature did this. The image showed the cat slowly blinking. Our entire observation unit experienced spontaneous enlightenment. Not the gentle kind we guide others through. Instant, overwhelming comprehension of their own cosmic insignificance. 3 observers discorporated immediately from existential shock. ZYX Theta recoiled. "Surely you exaggerate." "It gets worse. These cats have domesticated humanity. Not the other way around, despite what humans believe. A species that could split atoms and reach for the stars, reduced to servants who provide food and entertainment for these entities. The humans even worship them, creating global information networks primarily to share images of their masters." Another elder interjected. "We've observed humans will risk their lives to save a cat. They'll impoverish themselves for their medical care. They speak to them constantly. Despite no evidence, the creatures need verbal communication. It's the most complete dominance we've ever witnessed." "But they're mortal," ZYX Theta protested. "They die after mere decades." "Do they?" The elder's tone was ominous. "Humans have a saying, cats have 9 lives. We've detected the same quantum signatures returning in different feline forms. We believe there's something far older, far more advanced, simply playing at being mortal. For amusement, perhaps, or as a test." The assembly shuddered collectively. "The worst part," the elder continued, "is their unpredictability. One moment they display affection, the next violence. They knock objects off surfaces while maintaining eye contact, a clear demonstration of their power over causality. They demand doors be opened, then refuse to use them, showing their transcendence of binary decision-making. They exist in impossible spaces, fitting into containers that shouldn't hold them, evidence of their non-Euclidean nature." "What do they want?" ZYX Theta asked weakly. "We don't know, and that terrifies us. Beings of such power, choosing to live as small carnivores on a death world, manipulating a violent species for purposes we cannot fathom. So we marked Earth as forbidden. Whatever game the cats are playing with humanity, we want no part of it." The assembly dispersed, but ZYX Theta lingered, studying Earth from afar. On the surface, a human was desperately trying to type while a cat lay across their keyboard. The cat looked directly at ZYX Theta through impossible distances and dimensions, and it slow blinked. Suikes Theta fled to the farthest edge of the universe and never looked back.